my business in 2007, so in December will be 13 years in business. Recently, because I'm very passionate about things like financial freedom and independence in our community, entrepreneurship, self-confidence, all these things. I started teaching cakepreneurship classes to children. I started that like 2 or 3 years ago, and last year I actually officially launched my academy, and the adults were like, hold up, you're not just gonna keep doing this for the kids. We want to know too. So that is why you're all here. That's why we're expanding, because the grown-ups felt left out. Either me or Tawny will help you. This is Tawny. She is my assistant. She's amazing. So you can get either one of us to help you. She's just as versed with this as I am.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. No stress. Fun. Don't be stressed. Have fun.
This is not going to be good, guys. I mean, I'm already nervous. I'm very nervous. Tatiana, I'm nervous. This is Tatiana. Hi. I'm nervous. I see it's only you can do it, though.
We're just gonna literally drop a dollop of buttercream in the middle of our cake board.
Oh, Cherie.
So, you know how you bake a cake, and normally there's like a nice little hump on the cake, like a dome. You'll notice that these don't really have that much, and so there's a reason for that. So I bake my cakes low and slow, and that allows for even baking and allows for the cake to all rise up at the same time. Instead of like an oven on 350, your middle's gonna come up before your sides, which forms that dome. So I bake my cakes on 300. Takes them a little bit longer, but you can also put more cakes in the oven like that. So a lot of people think that they can only bake on the top rack. That's incorrect. You can load the entire oven. Just keep your eye on it. So we're going to level our cake. For those of us that have a dome, you all have like a little bit.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take off the side that's higher, so it can be nice and level. Okay, so if that's the entire cake, you would go all the way across, sawing back and forth gently, keeping the knife completely parallel to the table so that it comes off nice and straight and clean. So see how flat it is? Do not be discouraged if it doesn't come out that flat.
This is serious.
All right, so.
I think I'm already flat.
She's like, I'm not trying. I mean, it looks pretty good. So you know we need to start. So you just
I can see the turn.
Yes.
I can see this side is higher.
Yes. So you're just gonna go in right there, gently and slowly.
I'm scared. Okay.
You just wanna saw. Yes, in the bowl.
In the bowl. Yep.
Look at you.
I did.
Yes, you did. Careful, careful. No, keep sawing. Keep sawing.
With your finger.
I'm good. I just don't want you to knock off the. Yep, there you go.
Perfect. Okay. Yeah, cool. Perfection.
Yeah, right.
Perfection.
All right, next step. So we're going to take our bag straight up and down, like so.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
And you're going to put some pressure on your bag. I'm grabbing mine in the middle because I have more buttercream. If you have a pretty full bag, you can break the bag in the middle to make it more manageable. I'm just going to squeeze and go around in a circle until the entire cake is covered. No worries.
Did y'all see that?
Done, right? So you're going to spin
Look
the
at mine.
table
Look at
with
Sonya's.
your non-dominant
Look at mine.
hand. I like to put my clear finger on it just to give me a little bit more control over it. It's back here, it's a little bit, I mean, you could do it, but I like to put my finger. And you're just gonna keep your knife flat and spin your turntable around. It's not flat. If it like peeks over the sides, that's fine. That's actually good. No worries.
Yeah, what mine like that over the sides.
See the difference? No worries. Oh, you got all the flat cakes over here, Sheree.
Eek, I'm loving it. I ain't touching nothing. Good, y'all.
So,
Looking good.
So you want to think about the label of the cake, right? So this side is higher than that side, so you want to turn it to cut started. So you're not cutting it too much cake.
That makes
If you
sense.
turn it this way, you end up jacking up the part that's already even. So we want to start on the even side and then work it.
You should film your But cold cakes are happy cakes. I always say that. So please do not bake a cake, take it out of the oven, and then 20 minutes from there, try to put icing on it. It's still warm. Even if the outside feels cool, the middle is not. Let that thing sit.
I fix that corner right. See that?
And I
Fix
gave it.
that. Oh, just the one. Oh.
Put a little dollop.
Round 3.
I think your first
This is a real
cake.
This is a real cake.
So if you guys have any icing that is kind of bulging out between your layers, that's good. We're just going to take our spatula now up and down. You're gonna like make sure it's touching the board, and you're just gonna spin it, press it right up against so that it will. I didn't really have any, but if you do, it'll push it. I'm going to squeeze and spin at the same time. So I'm just squeezing with my right hand, that's all it's doing. And then the left hand is slowly spinning the turntable. And I'm just gonna keep going up until the whole cake is covered. Right? So once it's covered, again, you're gonna do this nice, and I'm gonna come around to help you. What you're gonna do is sweeping motion back and forth. And what that's gonna do is push the buttercream into any holes inside the cake, any gaps that you didn't cover when you were piping it. And it's just gonna push it where it goes. Very light pressure. I'm not doing anything but allowing this piece of plastic to move the icing and keep it even. See that? white chocolate chips. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna use all of this, right?
That's heavy cream?
This is heavy cream. I'm just gonna pour it over to like where it kind of covers the chips. And that's it. All right, and then I'm just gonna cover it with plastic wrap. It's gonna sit for 5 minutes and then it's gonna be ready to drip a cake. So that was our cream and our white chocolate together. And then we have this beautiful. So if you were doing a colored drip, you would do white chocolate and then you would add your color now, gel color. I am a fan of either Merkins or Guittard as your chocolate companies. Like those are the brands. Those are the best for dipping strawberries, your chocolate covered Oreos, any of that kind of stuff. It's a very high quality chocolate, both of them. Merkins, Guittard are your best. Literally just gonna squeeze a couple of wherever, doesn't matter. Don't have to be like this, it could be more or less, whatever you want. I'm just gonna squeeze a couple of these on here. Take my spatula, push it around. That's all watercolor is.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Perfectly imperfect.
We
Yes.
love it. And now, how hard I squeeze the bag will determine how far down my drips go, right? How hard I'm squeezing the bag. So I'll squeeze it a little bit harder to get that one to go down. Squeeze a little longer for a long one. Short one. Short. This is hard. It looks great though. You're doing awesome.
Did you see like what's the big job is? So you want to keep on all the way around? You want to add a little?
Yeah, more of this.
So it's gonna look like a light.
That looks really good.
Swirl down to the cone. Same thing, right? So, circle. You're just doing 3 little small circles. And I put 5 because I feel like that's appropriate numbers, nice and even. And then I'm just going round. Yep.
That was perfect.